we have completed the setup of WPO 365 and we have enabled the synchronization of users from Azure AD to the WordPress website. The next step is to configure a user synchronization job. And to do that, I will navigate to the user sync configuration page. Here I can click to add a new user synchronization job. And I can choose between two types of jobs. The first option is to synchronize users from Azure AD to WordPress, whereas the second option is to do the reverse, to update users from WordPress in Azure. However, WPO 365 only supports that scenario at the moment for Azure AD B2C or Microsoft Entra external ID. I select the first entry, I select to synchronize users from Azure AD to WordPress. And I click the Add button to create a new job. And you can see that a new job has been created and I can click to expand the job. And here I can see that the type of job is to synchronize users from Azure AD to WordPress. And the first thing that I'm asked to enter is a name. So I will call my job All Employees because I want to synchronize all my employees from Azure AD to WordPress. And as soon as I give it here a human readable name, you can see that the name here also is updated.